Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to sign up and sign in on Infintri, the platform where you can earn every minute. Step 1. Go to www.infintri.com. On the homepage, click on Sign Up at the top right corner. You'll be redirected to the registration page. Step 2. Enter the client ID of your introducer in the given field. Step 3. Next, fill in your personal details. Enter your name, email address, and select whether you'd like to join the left or right position in the network. Step 4. Create a strong password, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on Sign Up. You'll then be redirected to a confirmation page displaying your client, ID, and password. Make sure to save these details safely. You'll need them to sign in. To sign in, go back to the homepage and click on Sign In. Enter your client ID, password, and CAPTCHA, then click Sign In. And that's it. You've successfully created your account and signed in to the Infintri Insight.